Alright, what is up guys and girls? Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to get your music onto streaming platforms and stores, aka iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, things like that. Because initially this is what you need to be doing to be making money off of your music. So if you already have the fan base and you already have the clout, I guess if you want to call it that, what's stopping you from making your money? Basically distributing and stuff like that. That's what's stopping you. So I'm going to be showing you the website called DistroKid, aka a distributing service that you pay $19.99 a year, that is right, a year, to have unlimited music uploads and albums onto these platforms. All right, so let me jump in to the actual program or actual website and show you what you do or what's like. All right, so here we are on the website and we have it's DistroKid, the website. All you got to do is just use your email, make a password and all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this part and sign in. All right, so here we go. Here are the plans that they have. All right, so the musician's plan is $19.99 a year, and it's for one artist, which is yourself, right? You get to upload unlimited amount of songs, unlimited lyrics, and you also get Spotify verified, which is an important factor when you want to be professional about your music. Also, you get to collect all your earnings through this website. You get all the earnings from all the streaming websites and all the stores that your music gets sold in. They send it to you through PayPal, and that's how you get paid. Okay, as it says, it's $19.99 a year, but I also got a discount code just for y'all. I'll put that in the description box below. Be sure to check out that link and get your 7% discount on this plan. And then I'll be showing y'all how to actually upload your music next. All right, so you click this button up here that says upload, and now it's gonna be showing you all the stores and all the streaming websites that your music actually gets uploaded to. Now we have number of songs. All right, so you get to choose how many songs you want. One song is a single, obviously, or anything else would be an album, an LP, an EP, things like that. We have artist names, so you type in your name. So my name would be I guess I, but there's a bunch of I's. You have to pick something else. I Note, I don't know. I Note will be my artist name. And then you get to put an album cover. So just pick out whatever. Just pick out something and place it there. Next, you got to put your language, primary genre. So alternative, and then hip hop, rap is my genre. And then just type in the name. Thinking of You. That's one of my songs that I have on my SoundCloud. And then explicit lyrics, I guess, yeah. Songwriter, I wrote the song. And then you upload the file. So choose a file, click that, choose a file. And yeah, that's basically it. So after you do all that, you just select this one. You just gotta agree on all these mandatory agreements and press done, and then it'll upload your music to all these websites. And so yeah, once you start selling your music, once you start getting streams on your music, you'll start getting little revenue sources, and then they'll all be going into your DistroKid membership account, and then they'll be paid to you through PayPal. And that's how you start making money on your music, guys. So I'm glad y'all watched this video. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you disliked it, leave a thumbs down. If you want to see more content like this on how to get your music out there and how to begin, how to start making music and stuff like that, subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below, guys. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I know, you know.